You, you, you. Feather falls, it's whispering low. Vibrations hum where the air currents flow. Lights dancing wild, photons on the run. Does it sing a tune that we can't hear, son? Humans boxed in by what we can see, but the universe grooves to a deeper decree. Movement makes sound, it's the cosmic beat. Every wave, every pulse, and the energy's heat. Light or feather, it's all the same. Vibrations rocking in the universal game. In the universal game. Science splits truth, cuts it up in parts. Arguing loud, missing nature's heart. Light's got a rhythm, though we don't hear its call. Electromagnetic vibes shaking through it all. Break the chains of what we've been taught. Feel the whole truth that the cosmos brought. Movement makes sound, it's the cosmic beat. Every wave, every pulse, and the energy's heat. Light or feather, it's all the same. Vibrations rocking in the universal game. In the universal game. In the vacuum, silent, but in there a hum. Photons moving, is there sound to come? We're blind to the waves that our tools can't find, but the universe sings to an open mind. Forget the rules, let's rewrite the score. Movement's the key and there's so much more. Light's got a voice, though it's faint and far. Singing with the cosmos, every shining star. Unify the truth, let the fragments fall. One big song, it's connecting us all. Movement makes sound, it's the cosmic beat. Every wave, every pulse, and the energy's heat. Light or feather, it's all the same. Vibrations rocking in the universal game. In the universal game. So crank it up, feel the cosmic roar. Movement's alive and it's shaking the floor. Light and sound, they're one in the end. Rock the universe, let the truth transcend. In the universal game. You, oh, oh. Interesting fact. Absolute silence is the same as absolute nothing. You cannot imagine either one. So they cannot exist in a simulation. Visit Kuyo's Place on YouTube for more stupid stuff.